Good afternoon and welcome to week 5 of the business model. I'm Joe, here to talk to you guys a little bit more about innovative containers. First, just kind of as a refresher and a welcome back to week 5, innovative containers helps individuals create modular office spaces and affordable homes or add-ons to already existing homes through construction and development of shipping containers. Now, these shipping containers create a new and aesthetically pleasing style in an untraditional way. They're quick and easy for building on a budget, and they're the most sustainable choice. The main focus of innovative containers is time efficiency and saving money, obviously. So a little bit about week 5 and innovative containers. Our main focus this week was working with our revenue streams and cost structures in relation to our value propositions and customer segments, as well as key partners in the roles that they play within the firm itself. So diving right into the revenue streams and cost structures, some of you may ask, what is a revenue stream? A revenue stream is a strategy to generate cash from each customer segment. So innovative containers, as you guys have seen or heard me speak about, we've got two main customer segments, which are the homeowners or landowners looking to be homeowners, which can create add-ons to their homes, create the homes, and all that good stuff. And the other customer segment would be the company portion or the company customer segment. With that being said, an example would be like on my last video when I mentioned the Blue Wahoos purchasing a innovative container as a sports vendor at the stadium. So with that being said, our revenue model main focus is towards reaching clients through advertising and marketing through websites, social media, and face-to-face. From there, we gain our clients and potential customers and look to develop and construct these clients' ideas and wants. From there, we can create these modular structures that will last a lifetime and give a livable feature for these clients. And so our main focus on finding how to price each job, it was too difficult to do as it is right now, obviously, because each project is not going to cost the same as the last. So obviously what we've looked into is we have a couple different purchasing packages for each revenue stream. And so what these packages do is really they dive in and let our clients and potential customers see that the custom package, which lets them totally do everything that they want, gets put in these modular offices, whereas the non-custom packages, so your basic package, your office gym, the bathroom package for the companies, these are more so done or tailored towards the client's needs and wants, as said before. However, we move towards a more efficient way of getting all of the features inside. So with that being said, our main focus on these non-custom package will be going through a different lighting package or a different glass window package, and so on and so forth. And so from there, you kind of see the difference in pricing, because obviously if someone wants a nicer light fixtures or nicer windows here or there, it's going to get pricey. It's going to get more expensive the nicer you want things, obviously. However, just because it's not as expensive or not that custom package does not mean it's not top quality. And so that's our main focus is we're obviously going to be offering this top quality. However, we also want our customers and clients to have the opportunity to create their own and want their own, if that makes sense. And so once again, pricing also plays a role with how big this job is. So if we're building a office or a gym add-on for a house, that's obviously not going to be as expensive as, say, we're building a restaurant or a home for another client. That restaurant and home are going to be bigger. They're going to need more features within to really bring it alive and make it that home. So all of these little factors and features play in the role of bringing down these pricing, which helps us with these packages and kind of narrowing down the pricing more so for our clients and customers. With that being said, there are plenty of risks involved with this, which is why we use our key financial metrics of making sure our debt to equity is sustainable, that we can ensure to receive proper loans to build and create these modular office or structures, as well as our quick ratio for easy liquidation of assets just in case of emergencies. Moving forward, we look into our partners and how those play into effect into pricing, our cost, and our value and our offerings that we are trying to offer these clients. So our partners at Innovative Containers really looks or would like to talk to more about would be Bell Steel Shipping, Connex West, and the Fabrication Guide. Now these three potential partners would be strategic alliances that would help benefit Innovative Containers with time efficiency and really access to a wider to a wider branch of knowledge. Having different ideas, and especially these bigger companies that have been in the game longer, will benefit us greatly and significantly from the start. They'll help us reach a new market that we may not have even thought about or considered. So that will benefit us greatly. Switching over to an exclusive partnership, I believe having a law firm as a partner or a partner within a law firm, having that access to a financial stability and growth and individual overhead and cost reduction would benefit one in time efficiency, cost saving for our clients, and really help us get a name out there and what we're trying to harp with our customer service and our quality of containers that we're offering. Now, what are incentives for these partners? Well, continue business for a discount in materials and services. So obviously, working with these partners, we want to obviously have test runs and cycles and offer these partners something in return for their discounted materials or their help and structure through the growth process. And so what we could do from there is working with Connex West or a Bell Steel is creating these containers for them to use at a discounted price. That would help us get kind of a kickstart and moving in the right direction. And I think this would help them want to partner with us because, one, we're helping them create more office spaces for them or bathrooms or vice versa, whatever they may need. And so helping these partners or create more space for their business will evidently help Innovative Containers in the long run, which will benefit all in all. Moving forward into the next week, we're looking to really touch base and contact a couple more partners and seeing what benefits or risks or limitations they may have with new up-and-coming smaller companies that or ventures that are trying to get that kickstart like Innovative Containers, and seeing where to go from there and how they may be, I guess, convinced to try to partner or offer guidance kind of in a way. So that's going to be our main focus in the next week and going through things. Thanks, guys, and have a good weekend.